Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at yet another vehicle coming to the channel. This is going to be a long-term project and a keeper. This one's not a flip car. It's, not one that you're going to see just a quick build and then it's going to be gone. This one's sticking around. It's going to stay in the family, I guess, until I kick the bucket. Maybe longer. Let me show you what we picked up. Oh, there it is, 1956 Ford Thunderbird project. Home. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.